Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create a table in PostgreSQL Server. A database contains objects. Objects are like tables, views, indexes, etc. Okay, and table contains the actual data. Table is having columns and rows. Like here, see, these are columns and these are rows. See, we have these rows. So, to create a table, we are using PSQL client and pgadmin. Okay, I will show you how to create table in both the tools. First, we will see the PostgreSQL create table syntax. Then we will create the tables. So in Google search for PostgreSQL create table. Okay, hit enter. See here we have the PostgreSQL documentation. I will keep this link in the video description. See, create table, it defines a new table, and this is the syntax: create, then options, then table, table name, column name, data type, and we have to provide the length, table constraints. Okay, and if you scroll down at the bottom, we have the some examples like these are check and not null. Not null means it won't allow null values. Okay, check contains default values. We have different options, unique. If you scroll down, see here we have the examples. Okay, you can go through this document and see how to, what is table, what is primary key, how to create a tables. See here like this. Okay, you can see different examples. Okay, now go to, see, I have connected to PostgreSQL Server. Here also I have connected to PostgreSQL Server, expand databases. See, I am going to create this customer table, and these are column names and these are data types, and these are the constraints. Okay, so account number, it is int value, first name varchar, last name, date of birth, data type is date for remaining all varchars except this Aadhaar number. Aadhaar and PAN are for the Indians. And see here, I am going to give primary key for account number. Primary key means it won't allow duplicate values, also null values. So we are giving primary key. Not null, first name must be there for every customer, even last name also, date of birth also. Even if someone don't know the date of birth, we have to give the default value. Not null means we have to fill these details. So okay, let me create a table. Go to database. See, I have these databases. So I want to switch to this bank database and create a customer table. So use the \c, then give the bank, hit enter. Verified tables, \dt is the command to verify list of tables in the current database. See, we have only one table. Let me create another table for the customer. Now create a table, create table, then give the name customer, in brackets, give the column names and respective data types. Okay, account number, int, primary key, comma, first name, varchar, 100, 50, it is the length of the first name, then not null, comma, same length I am giving, 50, not null, enter. See, up to here we have defined. Next, DOB, email, phone number, address, PAN, Aadhaar. DOB, that is date of birth. I am giving date, data type. It cannot be null, so give not null. Email, varchar, 100. Phone number, not null. Address, varchar, 100, not null. PAN, varchar, it is mixed. Why I am giving PAN as varchar? Because it is mix of numbers and alphabets. So I am not giving Aadhaar. Okay, put semicolon, because put close brackets, put semicolon, hit enter. See, something went wrong. So I forgot to give hit enter. Here for phone number I have to give varchar. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. See, create table is created. Now verify \dt plus give the table name. Table name is customer. We will get the structure. We have to give plus b. See, this is the table structure. Account number, integer, storage, ignore this one. See, we have defined primary key and this account number. Not null, see, it won't allow. Nullable means it won't allow null values. Okay. See, we have given the length also. Now insert this data into this table. Now verify the data. It won't have any data. Select star from, provide the name of the table, customer. Put semicolon. See, you don't have any data. So insert these values. Insert data. Insert into, command is insert into table name, customer, then give values. Up to here it is common for any table. Now provide the values based on the column names and their data type. Okay. So account number is integer value, so can give 1001, comma James, comma see, for these columns I am going to insert like this. See, insert into values, it is a number, so we need to give the quotations. For varchar values we have to give the quotations, and date format we have to give like this. Before that, verify the date format. Select current underscore date, put semicolon. See, this is the date format. First one is the year, second one is the month, and 04 is the day. Okay. So I have given in the same format. 1981. This is the month and this is the date. Okay. And email we must give in quotations. And this is the phone number. This is the address, because we have defined columns as address column as varchar. That's why whatever columns are defined with varchar or date, I have given in quotations. And last option, see, it can PAN can allow null values. PAN and email which allows null values. That's why I have given the null. Even for this also we can give null. Okay. So I am going to keep all these commands in the video description. Copy one by one. Go to here, paste here, put semicolon at the end and hit enter. It is success. See, one row inserted. Put semicolon here only. Then copy the second one, paste it, hit enter. Something went wrong. Put semicolon. See, for my here I have given this one. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is success. Then copy the third insert statement. See, we have inserted 3. Let me clear the screen. Let me explain one more time. See, we are inserting these rows for this data. Okay. Now go to here, verify the data. Select star from table name. Table name is customer. Put semicolon at the end of the statement. See, we have successfully inserted these rows. Let me bring down. See here. Yeah, see, account number, we have filled these details, first name, see, varchar values, last name, and date format. See, here I changed it to system server date format. Okay. So emails, phone number, address, PAN. I don't have PAN. So until now we have performed actions on PSQL client. We can also create table from the pgadmin. Go to pgadmin, right click on database, query tool. You can run the same queries here. Okay. Or expand schemas, select the schema where you want to create the table. Go to tables. See, we have this these two tables. If you want to create table, right click, select create, then select table. Or close it. Yes. Right click on schema, then select the create, then select the, see here we have the table. Then provide the table name, student. Then this is the owner name. Even if you want to check the owner here, you \dt, then provide the table name, customer. see, owner for this table is Postgres. Okay, here select the owner from this list. Okay, I'm going with the Postgres one list, then select the schema, then select the table space, then click on columns, click on plus, or if you want to inherit, select the tables from the list. I don't want, so snum, student number, data type integer. See, here we have the integer. See, we have different data types, so I'm giving only integer. Allow not nulls. I don't want allow null values, so click on primary key, default. There is no default value, it must be entered. Then click on sname, that is student name, varchar, type here varchar, character varying, then provide the length 50, not null. Then see, I am going to only add these two columns. Then go to SQL. See, this is the syntax. Okay, so click on save. See, new table is created. Even if you go here, give the \dt. See, here we have the new table. You can verify the data. Select star from student. Put semicolon. See, we don't have any data. You can insert here also. Now insert data. Just right click on database, select query tool, then insert. Use the statement same as before. Insert into student values 100 put semicolon at the end of the statement. You can execute queries here also. Click on see, inserted one row. You can also insert into student values one. See, suppose if I give like James, it will throw error. Because why? I will show you. Because we have defined this column as primary key. Let me show you here only. D plus customer. See, now not customer, it is student. See, we have defined that column as number column as primary key. Okay, it won't allow duplicates, so we have to give unique values for the primary key columns. So insert, give the unique value. That means 100 is there, so give the some other number that is not existing in the table. See, we have successfully inserted. Now right click on this table, view or edit data, select all rows. See, we have these two rows. This is the query it performed. Okay, we can run this query, select, copy, paste here, select it, execute it. See, we got the output. Even we can run the same query here also. Put semicolon. See, we got the output. Okay, if you want to drop a table, before that verify list of tables. See, I want to drop this table. So suppose if you want to drop a table, use the command drop table, then we have to provide the table name and hit enter. See, table dropped. You can verify by running the command \dt. See, there is no table with the tt. See, this table has gone. Okay, even if you refresh, right click, tables, refresh, see the table is gone. If you want to delete from here, right click on table name, then select the delete. Okay, then it will ask us the confirmation. We click on yes, it will be deleted. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create a table in PostgreSQL server. Then we have seen how to insert data and drop a table from the PostgreSQL database. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.